Reason? Reason, where is it? Reason? Reason. Reason! Get the bird out of our house! Reason, call an exterminator!
He lives in our door.
So?
He lives in the wreath in our door.
He's gonna give us a disease in our house.
You'll be alright.
Open the back door so he can get out.
Check it out.
Why is he not freaking out? Oh my gosh, oh my gosh, oh my gosh, oh my gosh, oh my gosh. Babe,
He went
no,
upstairs.
no, no, he's gonna go in our room.
He's in our room. Oh, poor bird. Hi, buddy. What are you doing in my house, huh? You're supposed to be in my door. That's where you live.
Oh my gosh, he's back. Where's there?
Come on, buddy.
Is he behind me?
You gotta get out of my house.